Today, we're diving into 2 easy Ds. A kid's detox bath for your little ones and a DIY shower steamer recipe for you. Hey, wellness lovers! Welcome back to our channel, where we explore all things health and wellness. Let's bring spa vibes home. First, the kid's detox bath. This one's simple and great for those tricky bath times. You'll need half a cup of Epsom salt, half a cup of baking soda, and a drop of lavender oil. Lavender's calming properties can help ease anxiety and promote relaxation, making bath time a more enjoyable experience for both you and your kids. Now, remember, always supervise your children in the bath. Add everything to warm water, give it a good stir, and your kids' detox bath is ready. The Epsom salt and baking soda will soothe their skin, while the lavender adds a touch of calm. Pro tip: add bath toys or bubbles to make it extra fun. This can make bath time a delightful experience rather than a daily battle. For even more fun bath time ideas, check out the full video in the description below. And now for the DIY shower steamers. This recipe is perfect for creating a spa-like atmosphere in your own shower and can help clear congestion and soothe the You'll need 1 cup of baking soda, half a cup of citric acid, and 20 drops of eucalyptus oil. Baking soda is a natural deodorizer, helping to keep your shower smelling fresh. Citric acid is a natural exfoliant that can help remove dead skin cells and leave your skin feeling soft and smooth. Eucalyptus oil has a cooling sensation that can help relieve muscle pain and stiffness. Combine all the ingredients in a bowl and mix well. You want to make sure that the baking soda and citric acid are fully dissolved. Once it's all mixed together, start molding the mixture into discs. You can use a silicone mold or simply roll the dough into small balls and flatten them into discs. Place the discs on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper and let them air dry for at least 24 hours. You can speed up the process by placing them in a low oven, like 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Once they're completely dry, you're ready to steam. Place 1 disc in your shower where the water will hit it first. The steam from the hot water will activate the eucalyptus oil and fill your bathroom with a refreshing scent. Pro tip: you can customize these with your favorite essential oils, like peppermint for a cooling sensation or lavender for relaxation. These DIYs are not just effective, they're also incredibly versatile. For example, you can add a few drops of tea tree oil to the kid's bath for its antifungal properties. Or if you're expecting, add some chamomile oil to the shower steamer for a calming experience. Now, that's what we call a 2-in-1. Quick tip: to make bath time more fun for kids, try using a bath bomb or bubble bath alongside the detox bath salts. For an extra special treat, why not make this a family affair? Parents and kids can enjoy their own DIY treats side by side. Speaking of treats, we've got a question for you. What's your go-to self-care tip? Share in the comments below. We love hearing from you. And while you're there, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Your support means the world to us. Wrapping up, these Ds are a fun, easy, and natural way to incorporate some wellness into your daily routine. From the soothing bath salts to the invigorating shower steamers, there's something for everyone. Check out the full guide in the description for more detailed instructions and additional tips. Thank you so much for joining us today. We're so glad you're a part of our community. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and forget to subscribe so you never miss out on our latest content. We would love to hear from you, so if you have any questions or comments, please drop them below. See you next time.